Peace, crochet friends. Welcome or welcome back to the channel. I am Keisha of Illis Crochet, and I'm here with you guys weekly to give reviews, tutorials. We talk about yarn, crochet books that have come out recently, and we learn a lot of new crochet techniques here on the channel. Today, I am reviewing with you this book, which was published in 2022, and it is Hip to Be Square by Katie Jones. And she's a UK designer. She has some wonderful following. She has an extensive background in crochet and design. And she published this book based strictly on what you can make with squares. And so in this book, she gives you how to create 20 different projects using only 5 square designs, okay? So we're going to go through the book and see what we can find, what's fun, and what we can create thanks to Katie Jones. All right, let's get started. Let's take a look inside Hip to Be Square. The beginning of the book gives you some information on the author. It also has a conversion chart here so that you can see the stitches and the terms in UK side by side with the US terms. So that's to help you read the charts or understand the diagrams of the stitches, okay? The beginning of the book basically covers tools that you will use to make these squares and projects, the different types of yarns and hooks that you can use. She goes through how to hold your hook, how to do basic stitches, single, double, treble. I appreciate the fact that she also has very thorough sizing charts, joining techniques, different edgings that you can use for the projects as well. Okay, so here we're getting to the actual squares. There are 5 designs that she teaches you, and here they are. So everything that you make in the book will include one or a combination of all these squares. Okay, and so the next section, she goes through how to make each one individually. And now we're just going to skip ahead to the actual projects. This is a pretty thick book. It's over 170 pages. I love the design of it, the color blocking, the text that she's using, the fonts. Okay, the first project we have here is the Simple Square Sweater. And you can see this starts with just the basic granny square that continues to increase and get larger until you get the size that you need. And then we have some additional granny squares on the side to make the sleeves. Okay? I think that's an easy beginner project. Okay, the next project I want to show you is the bucket hat. And these have become very popular the past couple of years. I love them. And again, this is a beginner-friendly project because you're basically just constructing the squares, attaching them, and then creating the rim on the bottom. I think this is very cute. I love seeing the stitch definition in the bucket hats too. Okay, let's move on to the next one is the Lazy Daisy top, and this is basically a poncho. Now, if you tackle this project, it is requiring that you have a minimum of 72 squares, okay? And then you're going to increase that amount depending on the size of your poncho here. I like this one. Again, it looks very beginner friendly. I also like the fact that she ties it in the back. It's a cute little bow tie that she puts in the back of it. Okay. Next one is the Spots and Stripes blanket. So we have a variation here of the squares joined together and then working these rows in the granny stitches until you get to the next section. Very cute. And here you can see just how big that blanket will be once it's completed. All right. Okay. Next project is the collar. Again, you're attaching your squares. And here she gives us two different styles of how you can do these. Very cute. It's a cute accessory to add to your tops, to your outfit. Next is the pouch bag. It's a drawstring pouch here. You could line this if you like to. Recommended hook size for this is a 4.5 millimeter. Okay. Next project is the graphic grid cushion. And I just love the idea of being able to create your own home decor and choosing the colors that you need for your specific space. Okay. The next one is the Groovy Granny Blanket Coat. Now this looks like it's going to take a long time. Let's see. Does she give you an idea how many squares you need? Doesn't say, but it says she's using a size G hook. That's a 4 millimeter. I think I would use a bigger hook for this because this looks like it's going to take a pretty long time. But it would be so worth it though. Like you would really stand out. It would be a total statement piece. I'm sure people would just approach you all day if you had this coat on. Okay. Now the next one is the sweater vest. Joining the squares together. This does require some shaping of the armholes and around the neck, the collar here. But she gives you all those instructions. Like it's broken down for you. So you're not intimidated by, oh my goodness, I'm making a garment, you know, something to wear. Now, the next project is the one I want to do the most. I am just in love with this next project. And it does require a bit of chunky yarn. You're going to have to go get some chunky. And this is the scarf. Look at that. Let me give you a close-up of it. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Do you want to be stopped in the street and just have eyes on you all day long? Wear this scarf, okay? Not only that, it looks like it is super warm. It's covering her whole neck and the shoulders down the front. You would be so warm in this scarf and so cute. And you can arrange the colors any way that you want to, but I love the fact that it's colorful. And she's paired it with the fingerless gloves that are also in the book as well. I'm going to make this scarf, okay? I'm going to do it. I just have to buy some chunky yarn. All right, the next project is the beret. Very cute. And she's recommending an acrylic or a natural yarn for this so that it doesn't stretch out on you. Okay. Next project is a summer outfit. So here we have the top and the skirt. Cute, cute. Next is the grid blanket. And again, you can arrange those squares any way you like. You could do all circles if you wanted to. Now, this one here is another one. I'm going to make this bag. You guys are going to see me in a video working on this bag. Wooden handles and all. Look at that. That is too cute. I don't know if I would want it that long. Like I might do only 6 or 9 squares in this front panel instead of 12. You know, I'm concerned that it's going to stretch out and get even longer, but you can put a lining in it. You could also buy a pre-made canvas bag and attach it to the inside so that you have a lining. And I think that'll help it from stretching out too much. You know, it also depends on what kind of yarn you're using. She's recommending a worsted weight Aran yarn, but I'm definitely going to go look for these handles. I had some years ago. I made a really cute bag, some similar to this, but it wasn't squares. But this is the next project, guys. You're gonna see me come back and show you my bag when it's finished, okay? All right, next is, I'm gonna make this as well. These are the fingerless mittens. Too cute. And these are great for when you're out in the wintertime, you need to have your fingers to access your phone or just to pick up your bags. Very cute. All right. You guys leave me a comment. Let me know if you are interested in this book and making some of the projects that we've seen today. Share them with me. Let me know what you made, what yarns that you used. Did you change your hook sizes? Like the video. Subscribe if you haven't already done so. And I will be back with another tutorial and another review. Peace to you.